this week I decided to actually talk to the camera. I don't normally. Actually, I have a few times, but when it comes time to edit, I just hate it and end up not using any of the footage. So this week I just decided to try something different. All last week, everyone was trapped in their house because of Tropical Storm Debbie down here, and there was so much flooding. And so this week there's a lot of different activities, and so I figured I'd take the camera along with me. Also, I love watching vlogs, and I love it when people talk to the camera, so I decided to try it, and I'm going to upload this video no matter how weird I feel about it. So I'm really going to push to do that and overcome my issues with that. Also, I really want to film Vlogmas. I love watching Vlogmas. It's really important to me, so I want to, I don't know how to film Vlogmas and not talk to the camera. I feel like I have to do that. So yeah, I'm going to do it. It's a very big step for me, but I'm going to do it today. I'm gonna make breakfast. We're going to go to the library. There's this toddler read aloud thing for about half an hour. My son really likes it. They do some activities, and he really likes it. He sings the songs now. Well, attempts to sing the songs. So we're gonna do that, just some errands, and I'm just happy that the sun's out as opposed to pouring down rain. I'm kind of just ready for fall. It's been 95 degrees every single day, and I hate summer. I hate heat, I hate humidity, and I moved to the most hottest humid place. I feel like I live in a sauna. But anyway, it's August now, so hopefully that'll be over and we can have some fun, cooler weather and more vlogs. So here goes. It's Monday morning. It's probably about 8 o'clock, and I'm gonna start my day.